Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning severe weather update. So we do have a slight risk of severe weather today across much of Nebraska, the Dakotas, western Minnesota, northwestern Iowa in the yellow shade areas, and a marginal risk from northeast Colorado through central Iowa, western Minnesota, and also across much of the mid-Atlantic through Tennessee and Kentucky in the dark green shade areas. And taking a look at our tornado probabilities within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location, right smack dab in the middle of Nebraska today. So make sure you're on guard for a few scattered tornadoes. If you live in central Nebraska in the brown shade area today, we have a 2% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the green shade area. Across much of Nebraska, South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, western northwestern Iowa, including Aberdeen, Pierre, Valentine, Sioux Falls, Norfolk, Lincoln, and Omaha. So make sure you're on guard for a couple of isolated spin-up tornadoes if you live in the green shade area today. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across our slight risk area today, with a 5% chance in our marginal risk areas. Make sure you're on guard for scattered damaging winds if you live in the slight risk area, and isolated damaging winds if you live in the marginal risk areas. And taking a look at our large hail threat, we do have a significant hail threat across south central through northeastern Nebraska in the hatched area today. From McCook through Norfolk, make sure you are parking your cars in the garage, as you have the potential to see golf ball to tennis ball to baseball size hail with these storms this afternoon and evening. 15% chance of quarter size hail or larger in the yellow shade area, and 5% chance of quarter size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the brown shade areas as well. Timing out our storms across the northern plains today, storms will initiate sometime around 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon in central South Dakota, north central Nebraska, quickly turn severe, or slowly turn severe actually, as we go into about 8 p.m. A mesoscale convective system will develop across Nebraska and South Dakota, producing large hail and damaging winds. And then as we go into about 9, 10 o'clock, this MCS will rapidly strengthen as it pushes east across Nebraska, South Dakota, producing damaging winds and large hail, going into 11, midnight, and 1 a.m. Very slow moving MCS actually. So a lot of rain as well with this mesoscale convective system, producing a lot of damaging winds and large hail, pushing to northeast Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota into 1 a.m., 2, 3, 4 a.m., pushing towards southwest Minnesota, northwestern Iowa with the damaging winds, especially, and then going into tomorrow morning, about 5, 6 a.m. southwest Minnesota, potentially reaching Minneapolis, St. Paul, as we go into about, I would say 10 a.m. tomorrow morning to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. So make sure you are preparing for some severe weather today across the northern plains, especially for large hail and damaging winds. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.